If you've ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, the money just disappears, then what I'm about to tell you will completely change how you see money. Because it's not about how much you earn, it's about the invisible mental traps your brain falls into every day, and I'm going to show you how to break them. There are 3 traps. Trap number 3 is the one that's costing you the most money right now. Let's understand what's happening in your brain. First, instant gratification. When you see something you want, your brain releases dopamine that overrides your logic. You're scrolling at night, tired. You see an ad, 10 minutes later you bought it. 3 days later it arrives and you think, why did I buy this? That wasn't weakness. That was your primitive brain hijacking your decision-making. Second, the scarcity mindset. When you grow up without money, your brain learns, money is temporary. Use it now before it's gone. You see $500 in your account and think, finally, I can buy that thing. I've seen people get a $1,000 bonus. 2 weeks later, gone. Not on bills, on stuff. Rich people see that $1,000 and think, how can I make this grow? Completely different mental programming. Third, social comparison spending. This is the most dangerous one. Your brain needs to fit in. In caveman days, being rejected meant death. So your brain asks, do I belong? Today you're surrounded by people on social media showing off. New car, vacation, designer clothes. Your brain thinks, I'm falling behind, I'm being left out. So you spend money you don't have to signal you belong. Someone told me I'm $15,000 in debt because I can't be the broke one. But here's the secret. Most of those friends also in debt. Everyone's faking it. Fourth, the solution. Here's the twist. Rich people have the exact same brain as you. Same dopamine, same fears. The only difference, they've learned to create a half-second pause between impulse and action. When their brain screams buy it, they pause and ask, will this build wealth, or is this my primitive brain? That tiny pause is worth millions over a lifetime. So if you've been beating yourself up for being bad with money, stop. You're not broken. Once you understand these traps, you can't unsee them. That awareness is where change begins. Which trap hit you hardest? Comment 1, 2, or 3 right now. I read every comment. This tells me which trap to explain deeper next. And if this opened your eyes, hit the like button. It helps more people break free from these traps. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Your brain isn't your enemy. You just need to understand the game. We decode minds. See you in the next one.